Hello guys, this is my day 6 of English speaking practice. Today here we are to improve our communication skills and as well as develop our personality. So I am going to start a challenge, that was the storytelling challenge. So the today topic is Godi Media. You all know about the Godi Media because the media which works on a single works with or actions, take actions, reports for only one, in favor of only one party, that's called BJP. Are you truly, or are you can say that a BJP party is good? I think it's still not so good because I am favor of Modi ji, but I doesn't support the BJP party because I think BJP party is the bunch of gundas. You are just saying what you can say this. I'm just saying because of you will be shocked that the beef India is the largest country in beef exporters, and you will be surprised that the 70% of beef exports from Uttar Pradesh, UP, the state of Yogi. So that's good. I'm in favor of Modi ji, but not with the BJP party. The many BJP parties, when the leader in their opposition parties, the BJP, or you can say the CBI raids arises. But when those leaders comes into BJP party, then why they become innocent? They are not guilty, they are doing good things. Why it is so? The single answer is, if you are in BJP party, then you are safe. If you are in other, you will be raided. That's true or false? So I am here to tell something truth about the leaders. There is two life of leaders, where one leader just show off, media only shoot those videos or report those actions which are good for the BJP leader, but in true it is also opposite for those parties who are against BJP, because the media is the Godi Media is all about to prove the guilty about other parties. So I was in Godi Media. So Godi Media is not about the reporter, it is all about supporter or in favor of BJP party. I don't so the reporter should be of like this, because the reporter is the third pillar of our country. When the reporter will not show the truth, then what will be done? So I think so this was the Godi Media. I am just everyone says that why are you doing storytelling? I am daily telling the stories to improve our communication skills, describe ability, and you can see improve on myself that I am becoming a better version of myself. In earlier days, I was just remembering like that I have no clarity, but still I have 10% of clarity, or you can say the 20% of clarity, but I want to achieve. I want to learn something new and improve myself. So everyone says that when you speaking or you are telling the stories, your breathing was very fast or is very fast, because when I shoot video, I had came for the running, and during running, after return back, I just shoot videos to improve our communication as well as personality development. So communication is not only the things which will grow eventually. Many of things takes time a lot to improve yourself, like that if you want to be a coder, because I am just a CSE engineer, becoming a upcoming engineer. So it takes times. When I feel demotivated in codings due to a small letter error, I have to put 3 hours or more than 2 hours to fix them. So I have to handle them, because the coder is not about the only who only write the code. That's all about who can fix the problems. So I want to wrap up this video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.